off for a walk. We haven't been for a walk for quite a while, so we've been a bit naughty. So where are we going today?
We're going back to Parkhead, which is where we went the other day, and we're going to walk up to Bedruthan Steps, or that's what it used to be called. I think it's changed its name to Carnwas or something. I don't even know how you pronounce it, but we'll have a look at that when we get there.
Alright. So I'll have a look and see what my steps are when we get there. So we're in the car park at Parkhead where we were the other day.
Yep.
And we went right.
Yeah.
So today we're going to go left.
That's right.
Down to what was called Bedruthan Steps. So when we get down there, we'll be able to tell you what it's called now.
Yeah, it's something like Carnwas or something, I don't know.
And you said there's a calf down there?
Yes.
Right.
That's why we're going that way.
Okay, and the sun's out because we've both got sunglasses on.
Very rare for me, see how long they last. If we could go down to the today.
So as usual, forgot to check the steps. So I think we were on about 500 when I just checked them. So I think that would have been about 100 from the car park.
Yeah.
So yeah, if we work it out from 400 at the end, see how many steps we've done. But we're just coming up to the coastal path now, I think. It's a bit of a hazy day. It's a bit weird. Cloudy over there, but it's warm.
Warm, it's hot.
That's warm, sunny, but it's got a slight haze. Must be a sea mist. Very technical gate. So, I take it those cars parked up there in that building is where we're going. Right up there. That right up there. Pay a fortune to travel around the world to find a beach all to yourself. And and we got one on our doorstep. I think we got quite a few, to be honest. But yeah, so that's where we're heading up there. Whoop, up there. I didn't see that there's this big cut out bit. We've got to go all the way up around there. But yeah, what a beautiful spot. To find out how you get down there. Said it wasn't far. You may have lied. It's miles away.
We keep going in and out. We're not taking the actual path.
That's probably a mile now. It's stunning though. Yay! Look what we got to look forward to.
That'll do a bit of work out your knees.
Yeah, just a tad. So the original Bedruthan Steps used to be down there,
Yeah.
and corrosion they've washed away. So I'm not sure how people get on the beach now, but yeah.
I don't think they're meant to, so that's why
Right.
it's close. Obviously, where it get down.
But yeah, so we're now gonna head up the stairs. So this is what Bedruthan Steps is now called. Carnwas. Does that mean it was Bedruthan Steps?
I don't know.
And we've got a major river running through, gushing down the side and filling up the sea.
You are bonkers.
Well, I am, because yeah.
Just go with it. What?
Did you count them?
No.
So that's quite an unusual sign. So I wouldn't like to push a wheelchair up that. That was quite hard work. So from the bottom of the steps up to here for about 15 minutes. I know we stopped for a talk, but yeah, that was very hard work indeed. But you can see the calf, but it's shut. Oh well, after that long walk, eh?
Yeah, but
Went to the calf.
went to the toilet. More importantly.
Well, you managed to use the toilet, yeah. But went to the calf, massive queue, not really moving. So they got a shop at the end. We thought we'd pop in there, just get a drink. Don't do drinks, don't do anything in there. So the targeted coming up to the calf for refreshment. Bit of a disaster, but
yeah,
there you go.
Bought the drink from the car.
Yeah,
Never mind.
it's a bit, yeah. Car park's full up here. Not many people on the walk, just come to the calf. So we worked for it and we couldn't get one. So we're up at the calf, we can't get in. Just check the steps. We are at 4,700. So I've got 4,700 to get back to the car park.
That will be the most you've done.
I know. With no drink.
Oh dear.
No, I'm sorry, but that's got a wheelchair on it again. I can't see someone getting down here on a wheelchair. If they do, it's an all-terrain one.
Yeah.
Because well, you probably can't see in this picture, but it is fairly steep and it's not very even.
Those of us that could be bothered to actually do the steps and not cheat, 54 steps.
I think walking down the bank was harder.
Well, that's a matter of opinion. I tell you what, you go back up and walk back down and then tell me.
Well, no, you did the steps. You haven't done the part of the grass yet, so you tell me.
Down there or not?
Now, we've just got that little bit to contend with. And today, no, I don't want to go down there. yeah, by the looks of it, to get onto the beach here, not sure if you can make out the pathway down there. Get to that corner, you go over the other side, then climb down the rocks, because there's people just getting down to the bottom down there. But yeah, I thought it was that way and it had gone. But no, it looks like you go around the back then down, so those people have just got down there. So the car park's just to the right of that building. No?
Well, yeah, but we're going to go through, remember, like the other day?
No, that's the road. We went through down there, didn't we?
No.
To nearly the house, then turn right.
Don't think, well, we're not on the way in. We'll find out in a minute.
So you want to do that lighthouse another time?
Yeah, that'll be one of our next ones.
As long as we don't park in this car park.
No, you're right, we won't do that.
And have they got a so-called cafe up there you can get food and drink?
We will start bringing a rucksack, which we should do anyway.
I don't know, goddamn old people. I can see the car park. Right, we're back at the car park, and that was two and 3/4 hours, and we done 9,700 steps. So I've got 4,700 to bank on my next walk. So I've only got to do 300
no,
steps.
It's not working like that. Not working like that.
So if you're enjoying our little videos of the walks we're doing, which I've classed as my recovery at the minute, hopefully it will change to a few motorcycle related trips as well, please like
And subscribe.
to the channel. That'll help us out a lot. Thank you.